Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best pump wedge is probably one of the most underrated tools in a locksmith's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, the ability to non-destructively unlock a car door can be a lifesaver. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pump wedges, exploring their uses, and showing you how this simple tool can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Number 5. HTCELLE Air Wedge Bag 2.0 Professional Leveling Kit. This air wedge bag features design improvements with a 300-pound load rating. The material thickness has been increased to 0.8 mm, and it has a two-side coating for enhanced durability. The rounded corners, stiff edges, and smooth exterior make it easy to use. The air wedge bag is perfect for precise alignment and leveling in various jobs. It's an ideal tool for beams, cabinets, equipment, and more. Remember not to overinflate it to avoid any damage to the bag or valve. Simply squeeze the pump to inflate this tool. It fits into tight gaps and has a wide gap spanning capacity. With a 300 pounds load rating, it safely handles full-size installations, making it a great extra set of tools. This air wedge bag won't damage, leave marks, or scuff the surface of the object during use. It's a great replacement for wooden wedges, ensuring your materials stay protected. The air wedge pump is a useful tool for installing cabinets and leveling equipment. It allows you to handle full-size installations safely with just one person. It helps slide into the gap and leave space, making it suitable for a variety of jobs and applications. What we like. This air wedge features durable TPU material and is designed for easy one-handed operation. It also has a wide gap spanning capacity, making it versatile for various jobs. If you're looking for a reliable tool that can handle full-size installations with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The pump wedge is a great tool for auto lockout. It works perfectly and is easy to use. The auto lockout tool is a must-have for anyone who works in the automotive industry. Number 4. Gute Air Wedge Bag Pump 3-Pack. This air wedge is made with double-sided TPU pouring 840D nylon, offering superior abrasion resistance. Its rounded corners and smooth exterior make insertion easier, and it can withstand greater strain. The kit includes 3 air wedges, perfect for various tasks like precise alignment and leveling. It's ideal for installing windows, doors, cabinets, appliances, and more. Simply squeeze the pump to inflate this tool. It fits into tight 332-inch gaps and can span up to 2 to 1/2 inches. With a 330 pounds load rating, it safely handles installations, even for a single worker. This air wedge bag won't damage or mark surfaces during use, making it a great alternative to wooden wedges. It ensures your materials stay protected throughout the process. With 3 sizes, these inflatable air wedge bags are perfect for leveling furniture and cabinets. It's a great kit for contractors. Remember not to overinflate it to prevent damage to the bag or valve. What we like. This air wedge boasts double-sided TPU pouring for enhanced abrasion resistance and comes with bonus assistant tools. It's also easy to operate with one hand. If you need a comprehensive kit for multiple jobs like leveling and alignment, this will be a great choice. What people say. The pump wedge is a great tool for auto lockout. It works perfectly. The auto lockout feature is a great design. Number 3. Air Wedge Pump, Auto Adjustable Air Shim. This tool provides precise alignment, leveling, and installation for car doors and windows. It's designed to make these tasks easier and more accurate. You'll find it incredibly helpful for various projects. This air wedge is a versatile tool suitable for many applications. You can use it for damaged skids, cabinets, doors, equipment, refrigerators, furniture, and more. It's a handy solution for various alignment needs. Made from black fiber-reinforced TPU and PVC materials, it's built to last. The materials ensure durability and leave no marks. It's a reliable tool for any job. Using the squeeze pump and deflation valve, it's easy to adjust the inflation. You can lift items to the perfect position with ease. It saves time and effort. The rounded corners and smooth exterior allow it to be easily wedged into any narrow space. It won't damage surfaces during use. It's designed for ease of use and protection. What we like. This product is made of durable black fiber reinforced TPU material and features an easy-to-use squeeze pump with a precise deflation valve. This allows you to adjust the inflation for different scenarios. If you need a tool for precise alignment and leveling in car or home applications, it's perfect for you. What people say. Using this air wedge in a $1 pack of Shims from Home Depot, I was easily able to lift and tilt my filled refrigerator to be level and fix an overflowing ice machine with little effort. I am able to lift heavy objects a few inches, which is exactly what I needed. After a couple, maybe a dozen, pumps, the cabinet legs were off of the floor and I was able to adjust the levelers. Number 2. Acroma A0501A 5-pack Air Wedge Bag Kit. Introducing the Acroma A0501A, designed for professional-grade leveling and alignment. This kit is perfect for furniture, doors, and cabinets, with a 300 lb load rating. Built with commercial-grade materials, it's made to last. This ensures it can withstand tough conditions, making it ideal for contractors and DIY projects. The easy-to-use pump allows for precise control. You can inflate and deflate it smoothly, making adjustments quick and easy without causing damage. This comprehensive set includes 4 pry bars. This enhances the functionality, making it suitable for various applications, from home improvements to automotive repairs. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in your toolbox. You can take it to any job site, ensuring you always have professional tools when you need them. What we like. This air wedge is constructed with commercial-grade materials and offers effortless operation. It also comes with a complete professional kit, including pry bars. If you are a contractor or DIY enthusiast needing a comprehensive set for leveling and alignment, you should consider this. What people say. These are great, they come in a great package and easy to store. As for its quality, it is fantastic, they do exactly as described. I was impressed with the strength of the product. These do not leak, they will stay inflated for days because they are made of thick quality material. Versatility is also a factor because the sizes work on several different situations, from opening my locked car door to raising my refrigerator so I could adjust the legs. These are very useful in different scenarios. Like having a temporary air shim, as we call them, to hold the frames in place while we secure said frames to their plumb, lined, and leveled mounting area. It also helps with the tweaking of frames in the cutout areas to be moved with minimal effort, as well as the adjustment of door frames. Works great for hanging doors and moving furniture around, makes it really easy to support things when before I needed help. Number 1. Air Wedge Bag Kit, Professional Leveling Tool. This kit is designed to make your work easier. It's a professional-grade leveling and alignment tool, perfect for a variety of jobs. Made with 840D nylon and double-sided TPU, it's built to last. The round corners and smooth appearance make it easy to insert without damaging surfaces. Just use the squeeze pump to inflate. The button-type air valve allows for precise leveling with one hand, even in tight spaces. It's like having an extra helper. This tool is perfect for installing cabinets and leveling equipment. It allows one person to handle full-size installations, saving you both time and money. It comes with 3 tools to help slide into gaps. The kit is ideal for precise alignment and leveling in various applications. Use it for beams, cabinets, equipment, and more. It's a must-have for any contractor. If you have any issues, contact us by email. Remember not to overinflate the bag to avoid damage. What we like. This air wedge is made of upgraded durable 840D nylon material with double-sided TPU. It features simple single-hand operation and comes in 3 sizes to meet various job needs. If you often work alone and need a versatile tool to assist with installations, this is the one for you. What people say. The tool worked perfectly. The pump wedge worked great. The auto-lock feature is a great safety feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.